Hello friends, it's me Marie in Marie's Country Life. Today is April 18th, 2022 and it's cold. And tonight it's supposed to be 36 degrees, 35 degrees here in Zone 7A in Tennessee. So I'm going to check my chayote plants. Remember last year I put some mulch around my chayote plants, the base. So I'm hoping that it will grow back soon, springtime when it's warm enough. But I want to check. I want you to see what it looks like. So hopefully I'll see something. Let's go. It's breezy and cold tonight. It's supposed to be about 35 degrees. That's so close to freezing temperature. And my hands are actually cold. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check the chayote plants that I covered, the base I covered last year. So just in case, if there are some shoots or something that grow back already, I don't want them to get frosted if the 35 degrees tonight will become 32 or 33 freezing temperature tonight. So let's go check. In my background here, this is the trellis where we plant or we let our viney vegetables crawl and creep. This is for our viney crops, creeping crops. So it's right here. Oh wow, I see chayote! And here is my oldest chayote. Wow! The oldest chayote plant. The oldest chayote plant is back, as you see here. Look at that. But you know, this mound here, there's more leaves here in the middle. But I can see that the chayote leaves, the chayote vine, it shoots out. Man, let me show you from this side here. That's the chayote. So this will be its 7th season. The 7th time that it came back. But tonight it's gonna be 35 degrees. And I'm going to cover the base of it. And I'm going to cover with cardboard so that it'll be protected. And that's the problem. It feels that the plant feels that it's warm enough, so it started to grow. But then when it gets colder and they will have frost, then it could kill the chayote vine. So I'm gonna cover it. Wow, I'm excited. Yes, very good. It's the 7th season. It's the 7th year. This is my biggest chayote. So hopefully the rest, that one there, that's the second. Hopefully that one there will come back this year. But this one definitely, it's amazing. I have to cover this. So this is what the chayote trellis looks like. Right here. And I have 1 here, 2 over there, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I put piles of leaves last year around fall season to cover the base of the plant, because I was hoping that my chayote plants will come back. I'm gonna have to cover this here to keep or protect the vine from getting frosted. So I will just have to put a little bit of cushion or insulation. Ay, ay, ay. Man, it's been warm. And all of a sudden, the temperature drops tonight. So you don't want to take the risk and think that, oh, it's only 35. I don't want that. So I'll have to do something to at least protect the chayote, especially the top. So I'll have to cover this. But hopefully I will not kill it or overdo. So what I'm gonna do is do it like this one here. Put some more, just something light like that. And like that. Hopefully I don't destroy the tendril. And I don't know if this is gonna work. I don't want to. There you go. I'll just put it right there. Like that. Hopefully it will cover and protect it. Oh, it's cold. It's back to cold again. There you go. But on this side, you can still see it. So I need to do something on this side to cover that. I could still see the top of the shoot. So I need to do something. So here is the makeshift house of my chayote plant. It's full of cardboard. I had to cover and protect it from whatever may happen overnight. But it's not completely sealed, so I don't know. I just have to make sure that it's, there you go. I want it to survive. 35, it's cold. It could easily make it into 32 or 30 degrees. And there you have it. I used the cardboard that was just laying around because I used it last year as well. So they're very soft, it's easy to form. So there you go. Here is my chayote house. The makeshift house of my chayote. I'm hoping that this will help my chayote survive overnight. It's cold. My hands are really cold, freezing. It's supposed to be 35 degrees tonight. So hopefully the makeshift house that I used using cardboard will keep it inside safe and warmer. And hopefully tomorrow it's not wilty. And that's it. If there's a will, there's a way. If I can make this, you can too. As long as you're not in a really, really cold zone. I live in zone 7A, so I can make chayote grow, and I still get chayote harvest. But we'll see how much I get this year. Anyway, I have chayotes growing upstairs in our spare room, so we'll see. It's planting season. I hope you're doing well, and thanks for watching. Happy planting!